Now, ladies and gentlemen, to begin this event on a really very positive note, now we will proceed towards the lamp lighting ceremony, for which I would like to invite a few wonderful personalities here on stage. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Tony Charur, Managing Director, IPC India. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Tony Charur. Also, I'd like to invite Mr. Edward D'Souza, President, Service Master Clean. Everyone, please make some noise for him. And I would also like to invite Ms. Rupal Sinha, CEO, Integrated Facility Management Services at Quest Corporation Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome her with a huge round of applause. Also, I would like to invite Mr. Bikram Chadda, Managing Director, Impression Services Private Limited. So, ladies and gentlemen, there is this say that behind every successful man, there's always a woman, right? So, representing the employee family, may I now invite Mrs. Rhea Tony, wife of Mr. Tony Charur, with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. With Mr. Anil Sathe, DGM IPC India. Also, can we have Mr. Dhimant CR, National Business Development Manager, Tenant. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, now we all will proceed towards the lamp lighting ceremony.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युमामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 अस्तु मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a matter of great pride to be here today, leading the Silver Jubilee celebrations of our organization, IPC India. As I stand here, there is a set of people I want to thank on this occasion. First, of course, is you, my dear IPCians. All the superlatives aside, we at IPC are a group of humble people. A group that proves every day that it can deliver on its promises invariably, whatever it takes. I am proud that you have proved that a plausible impossibility is better than a convincing possibility. And that has made all the differences. The journey of this 25 years and our standing in the Indian market today is a testimony of your courage, skill, and of your consistent hard work. You guys fought with courage, fought against all odds to make what seemed impossible a possibility, keeping our value systems intact. Thank you, all colleagues and ex-employees of IPC India. You continue to perform exceptionally well and exceeds the expectation almost always. Tonight, all IPCians have every reason to celebrate. I am proud of you all. Next, of course, is our customers. the very purpose of our being in this business. Contract cleaning services India is a very, very tough business. It is governed by strict SLAs for our customers, from their end customers. As a supplier partner and as a conscientious player, we need to be on our toes to ensure that our customers' critical timelines are met with. It's a tough task to keep them in good humor. I'm sure my facility management CEOs would agree with. Leave alone, maintaining them in, good engagement always. But today I was surprised in the morning. I got a message from one of our major key accounts from Chennai, who sent me, as a reply to my invitation, he had sent me a message. And that message read, Amul is celebrating 75 years of their incorporation in India. I was really kind of intrigued because it's an message which was not clear. I sent them a message saying we are celebrating our 25 years, and I got a message saying that Amul is celebrating their 75 years. I really could not understand the analogy, and 10 minutes later, he sent me another message saying that you are darling of our operators like Amul, baby is, or Amul girl is. So I think, that can be the greatest appreciation what we can receive from our facility management customers, our customers. Today, I would fail in my duty if I miss out on offering my gratitude to our vendors, our consultants, friends, media, well-wishers, and all the wonderful people joining us in our celebrations today. We have Mr. Sumit Kurana, one of the founding leaders of IPC India. He still has a smaller stake in IPC India, if I remember correctly. We also have Mr. Bikram Chadda, MD Impressions Services, a honorable customer of IPC India for more than a decade. Then we have Mr. Edward D'Souza here, President of Service Master Clean. Then we have Ms. Rupal Sinha, another major customer of IPC India. She is the CEO of Quest Corp, the CEO of the IFM business for Quest Corp. And we have our colleagues from Italy, Mr. Fabrizio Buzzolini, the international director or EMEA director for IPC. We also have Mr. Pat Schottler, who is VP Asia Pacific for Tenon Company. We also have Mr. Giulio Vernazza, who is a former director for IPC. He is no more with IPC, but he been very instrumental in driving the growth of IPC India. I also thank, or as a final note, my heartfelt thanks to the families of our employees who are our real inspiration and support. Thank you very much. We appreciate. As we look forward to our future with greater hope, we realize the huge but the yet to be unleashed potential of Indian cleaning industry or cleaning market. With the addition of Tenon products or Tenon range into our portfolio, our horizons have expanded, our opportunities have grown manifold. We understand that sooner the market would throw up better opportunities for every player, not just for IPC. We know that what would keep us in good stead is our consistent, unflinching, and continued commitment towards our customers and our respect towards the community around us. I would like to reassure in my capacity as the leader of the team to all our customers, our employees, families, vendors, well-wishers, friends, we will not leave any stones unturned in our endeavor to continue delighting you all with unparalleled excellence in our operations, with all humility at our disposal. Thank you very much. Thank you once again. A happy evening to all. Enjoy the evening. Thank you very much.
So we have this one more important event for the day. That is, we are officially announcing the direct sales campaign for Tennant products in India. As you may be aware, Tennant was represented in India by Godrej till March 31st, 2021. From now on, our customers can directly reach us or we shall directly reach them. So I'd like to invite these wonderful personalities for the launch.
So, ladies and gentlemen, so far we've been moving around only with IPC product folio. Now on, we would also have Tennant, the blue machines, and I am sure they are very, very reputed, across the world. In India, if you see, there are some great companies, use these premium products because they are very expensive. I mean, they are not run-of-the-mill products. So they are very expensive products. You will not find them very commonly everywhere. But from now on, I'm sure you would have a chance to directly buy it from us. And we would also reach out to all of you to make even Tennant a great success. As you've been supporting us for IPC, I'm sure, we would look forward to your continued kind patronage for the years to come for Tennant. Thank you very much.
All right, everyone, please put your hands in the air. Everyone!
DJ Bravo.
Can you all do that?
Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle
You all know Tennant is a champion only.
a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bungie is a champion, Folland is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gayle is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena.
Thank you very much.
So now we all will proceed towards the Academic Excellence Award. And I'd like to tell you all that Academic Excellence Awards, which is conducted every year starting from 2017 onwards. So ladies and gentlemen, first of all, to present this award, I'd like to invite Mrs. Rhea Tony here on the stage with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And this year, the winner of Academic Excellence Award is Mr. Shashwat Bhardwaj, who scored 93.5% in class 12th CBSE exams, ladies and gentlemen. Can I have a huge, huge round of applause for Mr. Shashwat Bhardwaj? Also, I'd like to invite his parents, Mrs. and Mr. Rahul Bhardwaj, here on the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Many, many congratulations to you, Shashwat. You did a great job, I must say. Guys, louder applause. It's such a great achievement, right? All right, thank you so much.